Welcome to an astonishing journey into the world of the tiny and the miniature. Today, we bring you the top 10 smallest animals in the world. Our first creature is both tiny and adorable, the pygmy marmoset. Weighing just over 100 grams, this monkey from South America is barely bigger than your big toe. Next up is the Brookesia micra, a tiny chameleon from Madagascar. This pint-sized reptile is so small, it could comfortably rest on the head of a matchstick. Then we have the Paedocyprus fish. Hailing from the swamps of Southeast Asia, it's smaller than your pinky nail but has an incredible story of survival. Let's not forget about the bee hummingbird, the smallest bird in the world. Found in Cuba, it's so small, it often gets mistaken for an insect. From the depths of the Mariana Trench, we introduce to you the amoeboid protist. Able to fit over 200 of these single-celled organisms in an inch, they're the smallest marine animals. The Barbados thread snake, often found in the Caribbean, is the smallest snake in the world. Barely longer than a toothpick, it's both charming and harmless. In the world of insects, the fairy fly takes the gold for the smallest. It's so small, it's practically invisible to the naked eye. Despite its size, it's a formidable wasp species. Speaking of insects, let's introduce the smallest butterfly, the western pygmy blue. With a wingspan the size of a dime, it's an exquisite example of nature's beauty in miniature. Meet the Kitti's hog-nosed bat, affectionately known as the bumblebee bat. Weighing less than a penny, it's the world's smallest mammal. Finally, we have the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. Though you'd need a microscope to see it, this tiny creature is one of the most resilient animals on Earth. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of the tiny and extraordinary. Remember, size isn't everything, and even the smallest creatures can make a big impact. As always, stay curious,